Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to continue on our installation of the Ford Performance track handling kit for the 15 and up S550 Mustangs. I didn't say it last time, but this kit does work for all S550s, whether it's the 4-cylinder, the V6, or the V8. For any of those packages, it is not the same kit for any of you guys that have the MagnaRide. It is a different kit for the MagnaRide cars, but this kit here does work for everything. Again, we've not seen too many videos, or really any videos. There's plenty of reviews on sites where you can purchase the stuff. This kit did come to us through Moreland Shell Ford. That's our local Ford dealership to us. They hooked us up with this kit, so we're going to get to installing it once again on the front, and we'll give you guys a full review afterwards. Unfortunately, Joey is still sick, so I'm going to be doing this by myself. So let's all wish Joey gets better pretty quick, because it'd be great to have some extra help on this. But without further ado, let's get this part knocked out as well. Alright guys, so that's being a total pain in the butt. So stand by while I figure out why I can't get these two bolts out of the bottom of the strut. That's awesome.
Omar, a message. What's up with them bolts?
Hey guys. All right, so I'm a little out of breath. It was a lot of work. For those of you trying to get the struts out of your S550, I don't know what years. I've watched a couple different people change out their struts and do it on the ground, undo the bolts like normal, or the nuts like normal, pull the bolts out. Doesn't work that way. On at least R19 GT premium package, the bolt for the struts, I don't know if I can get the camera to focus on that or not, but they are splined. I don't know if you can see that. So you do have to drive these out. Leave the nuts on them so that the nut in this is flush, the end of the bolt is flush, and just smack it with all you've got. We used a 3-pound mole and we were able to get it out of there, but just note to self for you guys. All right, now let's try and get that soy bar out of here. And there's the old sway bar, guys. Let's hold off while we get everything else done. I'll be back. Okay, guys, and here is the last comparison for you guys. The sway bars, you can see how much bigger this sway bar really is compared to the factory one. Again, this is a non-performance pack car, so this sway bar is a little bit smaller than the performance pack cars anyway. But you can just imagine performance pack would be somewhere between this bar and this bar. The new track bar is also two-way adjustable so that you can have just a little less stiffness, I guess, if that's the word you want to use with it. And then the track cars, or the track kit, also comes with these whole new strut assemblies. So there's the difference between the two there. Of course, 1 inch lower, factory height, non-performance pack. So there you go. We're going to get it all put back in. Guys, what is this? What is this? Ford, come on now. A regular zip tie? our first drive here in our S550 19 GT Mustang with the Ford Performance track suspension handling kit. And so far, believe it or not, guys, what I read online for the reviews of the dampeners, or the dampening adjustments that they did in the shock absorbers, feels amazing, guys. This car rides over bumps, I feel like, better than it did in its factory setup. We did have a performance pack car, so we do know how that felt as well. And guys, I think 100%, if you are in the market for some lowerings, for a full suspension kit for the cars, I think the Ford Performance Kit is the way to go. Still 100% keeps your factory warranty, especially if you have it installed by the manufacturer. We are going to be taking the car over to them so they can align it tomorrow at Ford, to help us with the warranty as far as that's concerned. But guys, I'll let you know after it's aligned. But as of right now, first impressions on the car, 100% absolutely love the feel of it going over bumps and the way it seems to handle. But as soon as we get some twisties and all of that in its future when it gets aligned, we'll do a full review on it. Stay tuned. We'll get the full impression on the next video, and let's see what we think. Until then, thanks for watching, guys. Continue on. See ya.